Hello and you are welcome to MTN GH channel. I trust we are all doing well by the grace. So if today happens to be your first time, kindly like, share and subscribe because you can't miss amazing content over here. We do tech stuff and also share free browsing tricks. Okay. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to recover or restore deleted pictures on our Android phone. You might have lost a couple of photos on your phone. Probably you deleted them from your gallery or not really, or your system just got crashed. You lost them through system update, or maybe you lost backup of your files. Okay, definitely you will need this picture. Well, I'm going to teach you an easy way of recovering them. Okay, whether by rooting your phone or no root, you would have your question answered right here. Okay, by the way, for most of us who might have never known about rooting, it's a way of breaking into the operating system of the phone and enjoying certain privileges and permissions as if you were the developer. Okay, we sometimes use certain apps. I would recommend root, but bear in mind you will lose your warranty. Okay, so you wouldn't have to risk your new phone for this stuff. Okay, but you could check in the description and download the root app. Okay, so we shall be using an app. That is the diskdiggerphotorecovery. Okay, you could as well use this app, the paid version of this app. Both will equally work. Okay, but the paid version will work much better. Okay, so you don't worry, just check in the description and have the download link, and let's proceed. Now this app has the ability to search through your cache data and thumbnail to recover any trace of photo you had deleted. Okay, so this app is very powerful. You could scan through your photos or your previous deleted files and stuff and recover the photos or the pictures that we deleted. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, we have to go to Play Store. Okay, so I'll go to Play Store and I'll search for diskdigger photo recovery. Okay, so it's open for me, and I've already downloaded it, so I just have to open. Okay, so you could as well check in the description and have the download link. Okay, and now you could see two features. Okay, the first one is start basic photo scan. Okay, it's a basic scan that could recover your photos from your SD card or your internal storage. Okay, and the second is full scan, that is for rooted devices. Okay, so as I said earlier, you wouldn't have to risk your new phone for this method. Okay, so you could ignore this and use the basic photo, but for the full scan you could get the original file size or the photo size and also have the quality that it had before. Okay, and now you can also delete files permanently, okay, using this app. So I'm resorting to the basic photo scan. Okay, so I'll choose basic photo scan, and now these are my files I deleted earlier. Okay, so in order to recover them, you could pause. Okay, so as you can see down there is search is running, so I could just pause them and recover. Okay, so in order to recover you have to tap on it and go to recover. So you would want to maybe save it on your internal storage or upload them anyhow you want it. Okay, so you can just use that method. Okay, now you can as well delete right away from here permanently, and that will equally work. Okay, so guys, maybe you have lost a backup of your files, you've lost your photos, a photo that you cherish so much. Okay, you can use this method and recover them. If this video was helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for your time with me and hope to see you another time. Bye.